Yesterday when I was on my way from the supermarket, I saw this waterfall that I already seen before, and I wanted to take a picture of the waterfall because usually you don't see this amount of water unless it's spring or if it rains a lot. So that's what I came here. So you guys can see I'm gonna take a picture with a long exposure and an ND filter. I just gotta wait till those people get out of the way so we can have that waterfall and a shot. Bueno, lamentablemente, luckily for me, I'm not the only one that wants to take pictures of the waterfall, so I gotta wait till these guys are done because I don't want them on my frame. No quiero esta gente ni fotos, esta gente no se mueve, están tomándose fotos también. I guess it's not only me the one having one in this picture, on a picture, I mean. Well, finally, done. Waiting for these guys. Got some pictures here, but they don't come as I come if I wanted because these guys were on my frame. But finally they're gone. Prueba superada. Yeah. Final result. See it at the end of the video. Lo verán al final del video el resultado final. Hasta la próxima.